Alright guys, so this is the completed product, and I think they came out absolutely incredible. But something that I wanted to address, because I'm sure my high-carb vegans are going to say something about this, I still recommend that if you want something sweet, to go for some fruit, and I mean fruit in a high quantity, because, like, there's nothing more satiating and wonderful than just sitting down and eating a ton of simple sugar. Like, this is a health food right here. These are health foods. Any fruit, that's a health food. Now, one of these, I mean, first of all, I made them to share with my roommates, who, some of them aren't vegan, so this is sort of a tool, you know what I mean? I just wanted to show them, like, hey, happy Halloween. I wanted to make something to share with everybody. You don't have to consume animal lactations to enjoy a holiday, right? And I think people will get too caught up on like really, really strict diets. I mean, if you want intense results, like brag-worthy results, like obviously follow like Raw Till 4 or like be super duper high carb. But like, I know if I eat one of these, like, and I already did, me and my roommates all had one, but there's a ton of calories here, there's a ton of fat in this, and is it gonna make me break out? Absolutely. I'm gonna have a breakout, I'm gonna have a zit from it, but you know what, like, you gotta live a little sometimes. And I still love fruit, and I'm still gonna eat this for breakfast tomorrow, and I'm still gonna eat tons of bananas, just because I wanted to make something that isn't a high carb recipe doesn't mean that I don't promote and encourage people to eat high carb. There's way too much of a focus in the vegan community on protein, I feel like. I mean, is it essential? Absolutely. I eat beans and legumes every single day, but you don't have to be adding protein powders to your food constantly and like things like that. Like, I think I just wanted to get on camera and just explain, like, hey, you know, you can still enjoy yourself. You'll pay the consequences, but you can enjoy yourself, whatever, you know? I've already come to the conclusion that I can feel a breakout coming in right on my chin, but we're gonna roll with it. You know what? It's Halloween, and I haven't had a Reese's cup since going vegan. So you gotta enjoy yourself a little bit in life. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this recipe video. I love you so much, and see you on the next one. Happy Halloween! I think that's actually passed already. But in my town, we have Halloween weekend, so that's where all of the college students get together and they get super trashed. They all throw crazy parties. So Halloween isn't over for me until the end of November. Or, excuse me. Halloween isn't over for me until the end of this weekend, so happy Halloween to you guys. Love a disheveled vegan.